welcome to my evening vlog. It's 4:30 p.m. and it's quite hot today, about 34 degrees Celsius. I'm going for a walk to enjoy the nature around the campus. Before I go for a walk, I need to stretch my muscles. It helps me feel more flexible and prevents injury. Look at this view. The nature here is absolutely beautiful. Nature photography is my hobby, so I love coming out at this time. The lighting is magical and everything feels so peaceful. It's the perfect place to get inspired. Oh look, what is that? Is it a squirrel or a treasure? To be honest, I can't tell the difference, but it's so cute. I'm not to try it yet, but look, I'm starting to sweat. Walking like this helps me clear my mind. It's like charging my battery. This flower is so beautiful. I just saw it fall from the tree. I'm not sure what it's called, but I think it's yellow elder. After my walk, I'm going to Tops to buy something. Today was a productive evening. I've got some exercise, enjoyed the nature, and found everything I need at Tops. Let's see what I've got from Tops today. First thing, lettuce, black soy sauce, sukiyaki sauce, fermented fish sauce, a small pack of tissue, chicken tenderloin or chicken fillet, fried steak, maybe. I have everything I need for dinner now. I've learned that cooking at home is a great way to save my money and stay healthy. Thanks for watching my new vlog. If you feel straight, just go outside and enjoy the view. See you later. Bye.